everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your Google password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First step is when you're trying to simply go ahead logging into your Google, and then when you need to add in your password, if you have tap on forgot password, you can also go ahead and change your password from that sector. Next is you tap on your profile on top right corner, tap on manage your Google account, then go ahead tap on the security and sign in. You can go to the Google password. You can see the last change date as well. Now you have to use your passkey to verify it. So you can also tap on try another way, which will include your passkey, your password, and further you can tap on another way as well. So I'm gonna go ahead tap on Google password once again, and I'm going to tap on continue here, so verify with the passkey. Tap on use passkey. Once it has done verifying you, it will lead you to this sector where you can go ahead change your password. Go ahead enter a new password. One thing that you have to remember that you will get logged out of the device, so you have to re-log in, and you have to add at least 8 characters. And then you're going to go ahead and confirm your password once again. You have to reconfirm it again. Once you have done that, you can tap on change password, and your password has been changed, and that's all you can do. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.